you can act like a jerk and be celebrated for it. Celebrating motorcycles and making noise, typically in Edmonton you get a lot of thumbs down. This is a stepping stone to coming and being social and getting people away from doing 200K on our streets, away from doing wheelies in between every other car. I've been down that road. I'm just here to have a blast.
For the last 10 years, every Tuesday night, all summer long, we have bike night. And we raise money for the boys and the toys.
I'm here because I have a passion for riding since I was 20 years old. I enjoy fundraising, and this is for the broken bikers, so therefore it's for helping out people that have had accidents.
Okay, everybody, it's Clarence here. We got some nice looking bikes registered.
And we attract anywhere between 500 to 1,000 motorcycles, as you see. Each year we raise anywhere between $40,000 to $50,000 for charities. It shows you the camaraderie of the biking community. I mean, we're all in this together as a big family. And it's really a neat, it's fun. We have a lot of fun together.